Rusa, leave us alone. We're gonna learn exercise. Okay? We're gonna learn exercise with boys, and their mom will watch us. We can have it here, so we need this for the rhyme. Yes? Okay. Can you come in? I'll introduce you exercise too, so you can help kids at home. Rusa, okay. Here, okay. So, are we ready, kids? Hands. So what we have? The family, right? Family of 5. Who? What? Who 5? Who those 5? 5 siblings. The family, right? And one morning, they're waking up, right? Who's waking up first?
The son.
The son waking up first. Why?
Because he's first.
Because he's first. Then your wife, Thumb, waking up first.
Because it's the first finger.
He lives on the first floor of the house, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So he wake up, and what he start to do?
He starts taking off or
No.
first.
He first stretches in the air, stretches in the air, doing some little exercises, warming up. Good. After that, what? Then he wakes up other fingers, other brothers or sisters or siblings. He said, get up, good morning, good morning, good morning, time to get up, get up. What after? What after, guys?
And then the house.
No. Other fingers needs also do stretches and wake up, right? Circle one way, circle another way. Third fingers. If it's difficult, you can help with one hand and focus another hand. If it's okay, you exercise both hands. Which one is the most difficult finger?
4 and 5.
Actually, 4 and 5, correct. And pinky. I mean, like 4 is difficult because it's just was born this way, like a weak child. Okay. Pinky difficult because it's short finger, difficult finger to manage. Thumb also difficult because it's on the side and because it's has 2 knuckles here only comparing to 3 knuckles, and it's heavy and it's close to the keys, so it's difficult to handle comparing. Basically we have only 2 good fingers, 2 and 3. Okay, so we all need to work hard for pinky, for 4 and for 1. Okay, so everyone wake up. What next? What do they do next?
With the house.
They are, I think they're happy now, and they started to dance, right? Before they rebuild their house. Okay, we hold wrists. Or Rusi doing exercise with us. Okay, we do wrists on surface. Any surface would work. Coffee table, cover of the piano. So we keep the wrists like a glued. We don't lift the wrists. Okay, and we start to dance like this. This our little house. We try to build up, and we can make it more fun with the song. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Why I sing myself? I don't know, no one to help me. Okay, let's do row. More complicated rhythm. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. house like that. Now, what's happened next? Who can remind me? Someone said there's
the bear.
a bear around and already break someone's house like this. So they wanted to build up more stronger house, right? One arch with these knuckles, another arch. So we're gonna improve, rebuild, make it stronger. Exactly. This is what we need to do. One arch, another arch, second arch, first, second, first. So we want to see this set of knuckles and that set of knuckles. This goes down, this goes up, down, up. Can you see that? Down, up, down, up. Yep. So I'm working on this set of knuckles, both. What next, guys? Remind me.
Bird.
No, yeah, actually because gate was working not properly, someone came. Let's see what's happening with the gate. Gate is our finger one, the thumbs, and it was like opening so wide. Open, close, open, close. Keep your fingers, guys, on the fingertips, not like lying down, right? Keep your house, don't collapse. There is no one broke the house and the wrist. Open, close, open, close. Your house collapsed. See? Okay. So the gates as wider as possible. Open, close, open, close. The same time we keep the shape, we keep the arch. Okay, and everything on the surface. So first came a bird and started to finding a food and eat some grains with the corner of the nail, and this knuckle needs to be a little bit up, not lying, right? We don't play like this, so we play with fingertip, this part of the thumbs. So the bird is pick the food, this knuckle. We need the knuckles. Who is coming? Who is hunting for the bird?
The cat.
The cat. Okay, let me demonstrate. First you watch me, and after that you're gonna do. So the bird and the cat coming simultaneously. What birds do? Hiding to the house. One more time. The cat coming from this way, the bird is eating, and cat approaching the bird. Closer, bird hiding. Okay, you guys, let me see. Yes, good job. Change hands. Yes, very good. Good job. So, who can remind me what's happening after? They all become friends, and the bird, and the cat, and the bear, and all brothers, sisters, siblings, right? And they marching where? We can march, huh?
Like a town?
A town. Yes, let's go to the town. So thumbs first, marching up. Second fingers, third fingers. Very like a hooks, and you can hear the sound. If you like that, you don't have any strings. You want to hear this noise. And the same thing we can do with the words. Let's do just these 4 fingers. So Mary had we can take take turns right between right and left. One more time. Mary had a little lamb. Sing with me, sing with me. Mary had a little lamb. Okay, row your boat. Row your boat. Do the words for you. Ready? Go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life but is dream. Life is but a dream. Yes? So how many totally? I will send you the numbers of this exercise games. And if you do guys like 3-5 minutes a day, your fingers will become so much stronger, so much more independent. Okay? Would you do this? I'll ask you next week if you do this every day. Okay, let's finish. Can someone touch the red button, please?